Hi guys, welcome back to this new Git tutorial, and today I'll show you how to compare the staging area to the repository. Right, so far you have learned about the git diff command, and that could be used to see changes between git states, either comparing the working tree with the staging area or with the repository or the other way around. In a previous tutorial I have shown you that the git diff command is used to show differences between your working tree and the staging area, or in other words, these differences are what you could tell Git to add to the staging area via the git add command, but you still haven't. Typically, when you compare the working tree to the repository, you could use head as an extra parameter to the git diff command, or you could insert a given commit ID. So let's type this, commit ID. In case you're wondering what this is, this commit ID could be taken from the git log command output, where you have the history of all your commits and identifiers. Otherwise, if you don't give any parameters, it will default to head, thus comparing the working tree to the last commit. Right, you could also use git diff and give it to commit IDs as parameters. So in this case, commit 1 and commit 2. And Git will output the differences between these two commits. Right, so what if you want to know the differences between what's being staged and the last commit? So let's go ahead and do that. In the previous tutorial, we have modified our, let's run nonetheless, our newFile.txt. Let's run a cut. And we have inserted, this is a new line here without a new line character at the end, right? So let's add this change to the staging area and try to compare what's in the staging area to the Git repository. So git add new file, right? Let's run a git status. As you can see, the file has been staged and now can be committed, but we won't go there. So now let's run a git diff, and this is the command I wanted to show you, -- staged. So in place of staged, you could also write cached. Some people use cached, but they should give the same output because they're pretty much identical. Right, and after staged, let's hit head and let's press enter. And as you can see here, this is the one line that's in the staging area and it's not in the last commit. There you go. That's it. It's that easy. Right, so now you can compare git states and you have a better understanding of how you can see these differences. To visually see these differences, please remember the difftool command I have shown you in the previous tutorial and try to use it smartly. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.